How to add Fitbit to Sweatcoin. So just download the Fitbit app. Here you can see I already downloaded this app. So click on open. So this is the main interface of Fitbit. By the way, Fitbit is an application which counts a step. Click on the top corner and sync your phone. You can also add a smartwatch there. So let's move to the Sweatcoin app. So basically Sweatcoin don't need an app to count steps. It has inbuilt technology to count steps. Nowadays you can't add Fitbit to Sweatcoin, but we expect that it will be possible soon. Thank you for watching the video.